the mysterious disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 has sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, sparking a transformation in safety standards. In this video, we explore how this tragic event has prompted a re-evaluation of aircraft tracking, communication systems, and emergency procedures to ensure a safer and more secure future for air travel. Welcome to Aviation Chronicles. Subscribe and let's dive in. Since the mysterious disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, airline safety standards have been undergoing changes, but experts believe progress is not happening fast enough. The International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) recently addressed some safety gaps by requiring planes in distress to automatically report critical information every minute. However, this mandate will only apply to planes built 6 years from now or later. Another ICAO change to equip new planes with reliable means to recover black box data and cockpit voice recorders could take a decade or more to implement. Chris Hard, chairman of the US National Transportation Safety Board, emphasizes the need for quicker adoption of available technologies to enhance aviation safety worldwide. Flight tracking. In response to the MH370 incident, the International Civil Aviation Organization has mandated that all airliners report their position every 15 minutes over open ocean by November 2018, doubling the frequency from previous practices. To aid in flight tracking, Inmarsat offers free tracking services to long-haul carriers, but gaps in global coverage still exist. Aviation LLC and Iridium Communications are teaming up to offer comprehensive flight tracking using a network of 66 low-orbit satellites. This system, relying on ADS-B technology, aims to cover almost all of the world's airspace by 2018. ADS-B also contributes to collision prevention and allows planes to fly closer together. While newer aircraft have this technology installed, older planes require costly retrofits. And the United States has set a deadline of 2020 for airlines operating in its airspace to comply. There's currently no international deadline in place. Say goodbye to blind spots on the skies. A game-changing satellite system is set to revolutionize air traffic control, allowing real-time tracking of planes worldwide. Powered by Aviation's innovative technology, the Iridium satellite constellation enables controllers to monitor aircraft wherever they fly, eliminating the risk of losing another plane like MH370. With initial launches in Britain and Canada, more countries will soon join this cutting-edge initiative. Subscription services offered by Aviation and Inmarsat provide airlines with vital navigation data, ensuring safer, more efficient flights. This technology isn't just about safety, it opens doors to more flexible routes and reduced fuel usage. Imagine the possibilities. Over the North Atlantic, where radar coverage is lacking, controllers currently space planes far apart to maintain safety, but real-time tracking allows for closer spacing and faster, direct routes to destinations. By 2021, the UN's Aviation Agency recommends planes transmit their position every minute in distress. Though not mandated, airlines and navigation providers can opt in. Embracing these innovative systems will not only prevent tragedies but also boost efficiency, making flying a smoother and safer experience for all. Finding wreckage. While flight tracking is a valuable tool, it may not be enough to precisely locate a missing plane. To address this, the aviation officials are pushing for automatic position reports at least once per minute during emergencies. Minute-by-minute reports provide a search area of around 100 square miles at normal flight speeds, helping searchers narrow down the location. However, the newly adopted requirement for such reports only applies to planes built after January 1, 2021. Many planes already have systems in place to send short automatic messages to ground stations, aiding in locating wreckage quickly. For example, Air France Flight 447 sent periodic messages that led searchers to the crash site within days. However, recovering black boxes can still take time, as seen with MH370, where the technology was available but not in use. By improving automatic reporting, the aviation industry aims to enhance safety and expedite search and rescue efforts in times of crisis. Flight recorders. The search for answers after MH370's disappearance has sparked significant changes in aviation safety standards. ICAO, the Global Aviation Standards Agency, has made crucial amendments to prevent such mysteries in the future. One key focus is the flight data recorder, equipped with an underwater locator beacon. ICAO now requires these beacons to last 90 days instead of 30, starting in 2018. Additionally, new aircraft designs approved after Jan 1, 2021 must have a means to retrieve the recorder's data before it sinks to the ocean floor. Two solutions are under consideration. One is a deployable recorder that automatically ejects from a plane upon impact and floats to the surface. The other involves automatically relaying data via satellite during distress, eliminating the need to search for the box. However, both have logistical challenges to overcome. ICAO also mandated 25-hour voice recorders for new planes post Jan 1, 2021, capturing an entire flight and crew preparations. Unfortunately, it doesn't apply to existing planes, some of which remain in service for decades. While voice recorders are vital, they might not always tell the complete story. Crash investigations have shown the need for image or video recordings, but pilot unions have concerns about their intrusive nature. Despite the progress, implementation takes time. It may be 2028 or later before planes with these new recorders enter service. Nevertheless, these changes are crucial steps towards enhancing aviation safety and ensuring critical data is available to prevent future tragedies. Investigation assistance. The search for answers in aviation tragedies is evolving with cutting-edge technology. In the case of MH370, the lack of crucial information from the missing black boxes has highlighted the need for innovative solutions. Airbus is taking the lead by introducing a deployable flight data recorder on its A350 XWB planes this year. Designed to eject and float to the water in the event of a crash, these devices, already in use by the US military, provide a promising solution. Manufacturers Honeywell and Curtiss-Wright Corp are also pushing boundaries by developing cockpit voice recorders and flight data recorders that use satellite connectivity to stream real-time data. This advancement would not only enhance maintenance and operations for airlines, but also facilitate swift access to critical information for investigators during emergencies. However, progress is hindered by slow regulatory response. Government agencies tend to be reactive rather than proactive, leaving individual airlines and countries to decide whether to adopt new safety systems based on cost considerations. A lack of global regulator further complicates matters. Without a centralized authority setting universal safety standards, the adoption of new technologies becomes fragmented and inconsistent. Experts, including accident investigator David Susi and aviation safety analyst Mary Schiavo, emphasize the importance of a global perspective. They advocate for a proactive approach to safety and urge the aviation community to recognize its interconnectedness. While new tracking systems and improved black boxes won't prevent all accidents, they offer hope for faster answers when tragedies occur. These advancements bring us closer to creating a safer and more transparent aviation industry where the global community stands together in pursuit of a secure future. MH370's disappearance sparked a revolution in aviation safety. The tragic incident prompted the development of a real-time flight tracking and deployable recorders aiming to prevent future mysteries. Airbus and manufacturers like Honeywell and Curtiss-Wright Corp led the charge with innovative solutions. However, global regulatory unity remains a challenge. While these advancements won't prevent all accidents, they promise swifter answers when tragedies occur. As a global community, we must prioritize proactive safety measures, recognizing our interconnectedness. MH370 has left an indelible mark on aviation safety standards, inspiring continuous improvements to create a safer future in the skies. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.